This is the brief on microbial genetics and the complexity of behavior. So there's this groundbreaking study on merino sheep, right? They looked at super tiny genetic variations in gut microbes. And what they found is pretty wild. These subtle differences profoundly change the host's brain chemistry and even their exploratory behavior. It really highlights a much deeper layer to that whole microbiome metabolism brain link than we knew. First off, the scale here is just huge. We're talking over 5,000 microbial genomes sequenced. And they pinpointed around 140 million SNVs. Those are like tiny typos in the microbial DNA. And these little differences, they're significantly linked to how the sheep behaved. That's wild. A lot of data. Second, they actually nailed down a specific link to cognition. They found a particular microbial gene tweak that messed with the production of BDNF. That's brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Super important for brain flexibility. And get this, these tiny changes directly affected how curious the sheep were, how much they explored. Finally, findings this precise kind of blow up old ideas, right? I mean, if gut microbe DNA can shape behavior this much, then thinking of the brain as some isolated box, that's just outdated. It's not really scientific skepticism anymore, it's just sticking to old, simpler maps. What we're seeing is this dynamic ecosystem, brain, immune system, microbes, all talking. It's complex. So yeah, tiny variations in microbial genes are a huge, subtle driver of host differences, showing our own minds are deeply tuned by this inner world we're just starting to understand.